Hi, I'm Kristyn, owner of Bend Beyond. Today's posture is standing separate leg stretching, Dandayamana Bibhaktapada Paschimottanasana. This posture comes at the perfect moment in most of our yoga classes, right when you need to bring your heart rate down and calm your mind. Standing separate leg stretching is wonderful. It stretches the legs, hips, and back, especially the lower back. It increases blood flow to your brain and your adrenal glands, and it also is helpful in curing and preventing sciatica. It's very important to get a proper stance in this posture and keep your spine as straight as possible. It's easy at these moments in class to simply fold over and hang out. But instead, remember, whatever you put into it, you get out of it. So pay attention to your form, give it your maximum best effort, and you'll get all the benefits from this simple yet effective posture. Let's take a closer look. Standing separate leg stretching pose, Dandayamana Bibhaktapada Paschimottanasana. Feet together, arms up over your head sideways. Right leg step to the right, a big step. It's gonna be about 4 feet for beginners. It could be smaller if you have more open legs, hips, and spine. 2 heels in one line, feet slightly pigeon-toed unless you have sciatica, then toes straight forward or slightly out. Suck your stomach in, and as you go down, keep your chin away from your chest. This will keep your spine straight and long, giving you a better chance of someday touching your forehead. Grab your heels using a C grip is ideal, all 5 fingers together around the back of the heels so you can keep your feet flat to the floor, creating a better connection with your foundation. If that grip is not accessible, no worries. Grab underneath your feet from the outside or place your hands on the floor in front of you. Always keeping a straight spine throughout. A very common misalignment is to get a grip too soon and round your spine, bringing your chin to your chest, hunching your shoulders up towards your ears, and not getting the length that your spine has in it. Instead, keep your chin up a little away from your chest so that you can stretch your spine straight down to the floor. Tailbone to the ceiling, crown of the head to the floor, shoulders up away from your ears, elbows back and up next to your shin bones to bring your spine right between your legs. As you get closer, right as your forehead touches, bring your neck to neutral and touch right at the hairline, opening up your legs, hips, spine, and creating a calm mind for the rest of your day. Keep these tips in mind next time you make it to your mat, and I hope you'll get more out of your practice with us. See you soon.